What's up, guys? Welcome to another fantastic video, guys. In today's video we are going to be looking at Monetag. So I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know about this platform and how you can make money using this platform. So using this platform, I've actually made some money. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do everything from the very first step to the last very step. So enough talking, let's get straight to the action. So looking right here, this is my dashboard here. If you look at this section right here, you see that I've made over $210. I've withdrawn over $210 on this platform, guys, and I withdraw this money into my Payoneer account. Okay, so obviously this is not the money, right? Okay, this is just the money I have in my balance, but this money was sent to me into my Payoneer account. So if you click on this section here and go to this payments method, you see that I have my Payoneer accounts linked to this platform, and I make money. So I will drop this money straight to my Payoneer account. As you can see here, this is my Payoneer ID and everything, so it's linked. I can also decide to withdraw through my PayPal or my Skrill, and you're using Payoneer. So that's exactly what I've done. So enough talking. Now, how can you make money using this platform called Monetag? So if you're going to be making money from this platform, you are either going to, first of all, monetize your audience. So this is an ad platform where you are going to be hosting ads. So you host ads, either you own a website, or you own a social traffic, or you own an email address, email newsletter, or you own an app, or you have paid traffic. So you can actually monetize all of those audience using this platform called Monetag. And you can get paid using several methods, like you can get paid using web money, you can get paid with wire transfer, Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill, web money, like I said. So they can pay you through varieties of ways, like I showed you in the dashboard. So now this platform is an ad platform, like I said, and you just need to host ads. So if you don't have a website or an app or anything that you want to monetize, this might not be the best option for you. You might need to have those stuff before you actually sign up for this platform to use. So I already have all of those things, and I'm going to show you exactly the ways I was able to monetize, and every one of those things, and how I was able to make money using it. So this is the website here where the Monetag ads is on. As you can see, this is the ads right here. So anybody that comes to this platform and actually click on this ads, I'm going to get paid for the person that clicks on it. So if I refresh this page right here now, you're going to see that this page actually comes with some ads. Okay, so those ads are actually from Monetag, and that is exactly how you get paid using the platform. So for you to actually host these ads, as you can see, this is the ads right now that is displaying on the website. So for you to be able to host those ads right there on your own platform, you need to either have a website or an app or a social traffic. Okay, so this is one of the ads right here on the platform. See, this is an ad. Okay, so anybody that goes through and interact with this app with this ad right now, I'm gonna get paid for it. So but I'm gonna X out and continue to show you what I'm showing you. So now, like I said, for you to be able to host these ads on your own platform, you need to either own a website or an app or a social traffic, or you own a very large email newsletter, or you're going to be running paid traffic with it in order for you to make to actually earn this money. So if you're going to be using a website, it's really literally very simple. I've showed you exactly how to create website, different method. So if you don't know exactly how to create a website, it's very simple. All you need is a domain name and hosting account. Now you can contact me if you need any of those stuff. I can actually get it for you at a very good price and a very reliable one. So once you have it, you install WordPress on it, and then you set up your blog. So this is exactly the one I'm setting up for somebody right now, and you set it up and start posting your stuff. Okay, so once you start posting, then you can go out to this platform right here and click on start earning. Now once you click on this platform, on this link, start earning, is actually going to take you to this section where you are going to sign up for an account. So I've already signed up and logged in. That is why it's logging me in directly. So but it's going to take you to a section where you need to sign up and enter all your details. Okay, so make sure you enter all your details, because at the end of the day you might need to verify those details are correct, are legit. So that's why you need to enter the real details. So once you have done that and you've verified your account, then they are going to give you platform. So you're going to have this kind of dashboard. Now once you have dashboard like this, all you need to do now is to go to this section called you're going to go to this section called site. So if you go to site right here, what you want to do now is to add your site. Now if you don't want to use a website, you can also use a mobile app, you can also use your social traffic, like I said. So everything wherever you have an audience, you can actually monetize them using this Monetag platform to make money. So let's say I'm going to be using a website. So these are the list of websites I have on this platform. All you need to do now is to click on add a website. Now once you click on that, you're going to enter the website address. So let's say, for example, I want to use this website. Let's say, for example, I want to use this website I'm just creating right now. So I'm going to copy the link of the website. Once I copy the link of the website, I'm going to move over to this section and then paste the website link. So once I do that, I'm going to click on add site. Now once I click on add site, it's actually going to give me 3 methods to verify I own this site. So the first one is either to insert the code, the second one is either to insert the file, and the third one is to use a plugin. Okay, if you're going to be using WordPress, you can also use a plugin to verify ownership. Now I can decide to use this insert code, so it's actually going to provide me with this code. I don't want to click on add site because I don't want to be adding this site to my own account. So my client is actually going to be adding the site to use our own account. So actually right now, if it gives you this code, all you need to do is to copy the code. Once you get the code copied, then you go to the back end of the website, whichever one you're using, and go to add new plugin. So I'm going to tell you the plugin to use in order for you to add a code snippet to the header section of your website. So what you want to do right now is to search for headers and footers. Okay, so search for the plugin headers and footers. So it's actually going to load up and give you this section. So this is insert header and footer. This is the plugin we are going to be using. It's by WP Bridage. Okay, so once you click on install now, it's actually going to install, and after installing, we click on activate. So once we have this installed and activated, we are going to go to the section where we are going to find the settings. Okay, so it should redirect us to that section. Okay, it didn't. So what we do now is go to settings. Once we are settings, you're going to find this WP headers and footers. So click on that. Click on WP headers and footers. Once you click on that, it's going to take us to the next page. Okay, so right now let's see where it takes us to. So here, yes, this is exactly what we are looking at. So right now we are going to insert the code we just copied right here. Remember, the code should be inserted before the header tag of your website. So this plugin is actually going to help us to insert it. So all you just need to do is to paste the code you just copied, which is exactly this code here, in order for us to verify ownership of the website. So just paste it right here on the header. So once you do that, after pasted, you just click on save changes. Now once you have done that and save changes, then you just wait for it to set application to verify the application. So it's actually going to verify ownership of the website. Now once your website is verified, then what you need to do now is to click on this let me show you. Just click on this section. Let me go to this site. Okay, if I go to sites right here, let me get to the section where you need to click on. So you just click on the website. Okay, once you click on the website, it's actually going to show you all the ads that you have running on the website. Now if you don't have any ads on the website, then there's no problem. So all you need to do is to click on ad zone. Now once you click on ad zone, it's actually going to pull up different types of ads that you can add to your website. You can either add the in-push ad, you can add interaction ad, you can add vignette banner, you can add direct link, you can add direct link ads. Different, you have one click propaganda ad, you have push notifications, and a whole lot of other types of ads. Now if you want to do all of them in one, you don't want to start adding them manually one by one, all you need to do right now is to click on get multi-tag. Okay, so this code they are going to be getting here is actually going to consist of all of this ad in one place. So you just add this code and you can be able to run all of the ads on your website, and you can control how much ads and how you want to control. You can control it. So once you do that, as you can see, I just clicked on that and it has brought me straight to this page, and it says here I either copy this JSON code and paste it into the HTML file after the header tag. So all I need to do now is to click on copy. Once I click on copy, I go back to the website, I go to headers and footers. So right now I'm going to paste the code. So this is the code snippet. Okay, I've actually pasted the code. Now once I've done that, I need to click on save changes. Now once you click on save changes, give it a few minutes or a few hours, the ads are going to start showing on your website. Okay, now once the ads are start showing on your website and people have started interacting with the ads and they have started clicking on it, you're going to find out that you're going to start making profit. So you're going to see the amount of impressions your ads is getting, and then the profit and the CPM of those impressions. Okay, so bear in mind CPM changes from here to here due to different factors like location and the likes of other things. Okay, so if you want to increase the money you're going to be making, make sure you also try to find out more information about CPM, RPM, and the likes of them. So, but generally, the location where the ads is being served is very important for you to make higher profits. And even the person that is viewing the ad, the impressions where you're getting, the locations of the impressions also it cause increment in the ad profit. So yeah, so this is exactly how you add your site and how you also monetize using Monetag. Okay, so that is exactly everything you need to know from the very first step to the last very step. I hope this video was helpful and you've been able to get exactly how to make money using Monetag. Now once you have money to this platform, you can go ahead to add your payment method. So if you click on settings and click on payments method right here, it's actually going to take you to this section where you can now add your payment method. So you can add the PayPal account for instant withdrawal, which the minimum payout is $5. Nice. And this one you can add the Skrill Euros account, which the minimum payout is $5 as well. And this one is instant payment in USD. We have the minimum to be 20. Yeah, so this is exactly how you do it. I'll see you guys on my next video. So I'll see you on the next video. I know the video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on the channel. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.